In this video, I'll show you how to make the Facebook Friends page template. In order to understand how I made this whole design system, you will find more videos on the channel. We're going to make the Friends page. As you can see, this is a bunch of list items that we already made. So we're going to organize them one on top of each other. This is also a list item that we'll be putting in here. And these are the buttons with rounded corners. So we're going to do that. Friends, template slash friends, friends. The Friends Discovery template serves as the primary engine for network expansion, utilizing algorithm suggestions, people you may know, to drive social graph density. Structurally, this view relies on a high-velocity vertical list of user cells, each designed for binary decision-making, a dominant primary action, add friends, for growth, and secondary dismissal, remove, for curation. We're going to get our template. So we already have the top. We want to design the buttons, so let's get the buttons. Let's remove the icons. Let's change this to neutral. And let's make it rounded corners. Make it avatar. And let's change the text to requests. Let's make another one. Let's change this to your friends. Make an auto layout with a distance of 8 between them. And these are our underscore button groups. Let's make this into a component and put it right here for now. Next, let's get an instance of this, put it here, and let's get a list item. Like so. Let's remove the right icons. Let's remove the subtext. And we're going to change the icon, the avatar is fine. So let's make the avatar larger. We can make it LG. Let's increase the gap between them to 16. Let's add a bottom border. And we can add some margin as well. So top and bottom, we can make it 12. Let's add some text. People you may know. We're going to make this text XL bold. The color is going to be text default. And we're going to put it like this for now. Next, we're going to get another one of these. Actually, we can get a new one. Like so. So the icon or the avatar on the right is going to be much larger. It's going to be 4XL. Let's remove icon right and icon right. And the icon left is the avatar is going to be 4XL. Like this. We're going to switch this section, the subtext, to the button group. So 2 buttons next to each other, like this. Let's increase the gap between them to 8. Let's change the text of the buttons, add friends, and here to remove. So as you can see, the buttons are different sizes because they are hug left and right. So what we can do is we can make them into a fill container later on. But first we need to make this a hug overall so that it hugs the buttons. And then the whole thing will be a hug as well. So it's looking much better. We can try to make them as much as we can into the same size by going to their settings, by making them both into a fill container. There we go. So both of them are now fill containers. So they took the shape of the whole container that you see, and this is all, of course, going to be the same shape as the whole frame itself. So it looks pretty good. Let's make a few changes to this. This is going to be Gerald, for example. And we can make a few copies of these, one on top of each other. We're going to make them into an auto layout, the gap of 0. And with the title will be also another auto layout with a gap of 8. And these two will be an auto layout by themselves with a gap of 24. And then all these will be an auto layout with a gap of 8. And we're done. Let's make all of this into a component. This is going to be underscore friends page. Let's put it in our annotations. Let's see if it's responsive. It is nice and responsive. And here we can rename this to Dexter Lee. This is going to be MD bold. And the rest is going to be MD regular. Has accepted your friend's request. This is going to be fill container. And we're going to remove this box. And it looks much better. Let's add some margin. So 16. And top and bottom of 12. Let's get the annotations for the template. And let's change this to underscore friends. There we go. It looks great. So this is going to be S1, just like the color before. It looks great. Let's put it over here. And go to the next one. Now, for more videos about the Facebook design system, you will find more free videos in the channel. Or if you would like to take the Facebook design system course, you will find the link in the description.